Yung mga ka-Blind Explorer yun.
Play Store.
Welcome back. Yan, welcome back sa ating channel. Meron lang akong tutorial naman sa inyo. Paano i-install ang Vocalizer Voices or Vocalizer TTS for free. At wala kang babayaran dito kahit ano. Actually, madadownload nyo to sa Play Store. Kasi pag sa Play Store nyo dinownload, may bayad na yun. Pero kapag sa doon nyo din-download sa website ng blindhelp.net. Actually, ano na yun eh. Parang ginawa na nila ng ano. So, wala ka nang babayaran doon. So, paano nga ba install si Vocalizer Voices? So, una punta tayo dito sa Chrome.
System launcher. Search for all apps. Manage. Audio there is my Bible. Blind calendar. Camera. Chrome has 2 notifications.
Dito sa Chrome.
Chrome.
Yan.
Google link. Google search labs button.
Tapos ang isa-search nyo dito ay
back button. Vocalizer text-to-speech text box.
yan, spell out natin.
Screen operand media volume. TTS rate. Operand trans screen areas. Default. Screen operand translation. TTS rate. Media volume. Copying mode. Pages. Paragraphs. Sentences. Words. Characters.
Yan, spell
Clear
out natin.
vocalizer H. Vote H E E P S M O T M T X E. Stay R E I L A
Doon
C
tayo
O
sa
V
ano, wait lang.
K.
Ayan, spell natin.
Vocalize back button. Vocalizer text-to-speech text box. Vocalizer text-to-speech. Back button. Vocalizer text-to-speech text box. News. Characters. Back button. Vocalizer text-to-speech text box.
Wait lang, naka-ano ba tayo? Naka-landscape.
Landscape.
Yan. Wait lang.
Portrait.
Yan.
Clear search. Vocalizer text-to-speech text box. News. Characters. Back button. B. A. B. Back
Lang,
button.
nawawala
Vocalizer
yung
text-to-speech text box.
Basta yan yung isa-search nyo guys. Huwag kayong
Word,
malilito.
sentence, paragraph, pages. Copy and
Spell
mode.
out na lang natin.
Media volume. TTS operand trans screen at default. VOCLIZER space TEXT minus TO minus SPEECH.
So, yan yung isa-search nyo. So, click na natin
Vocalizer
itong
text to speech.
search. Ayan. Hintayin lang
Google link.
natin.
Google search link. Google vocalizer text to speech text box.
Ay, mali. Wait lang.
Vocalizer text to speech. Delete. H deleted. G. H. H.
Ang isa-search nyo pala dito guys, Vocalizer Text-to-Speech.
Space.
APK.
A. A. P. P. E. H. K. K. Search.
Yan.
Google search. Google clear search. Filter but all video image short shot for news web books link maps flights link finance search feed search apps about this result install vocalizer TTS voice English link vocalizer TTS voice English graphic
Hindi yan.
vocalizer TTS voice English
May bayad yan eh.
3.9K productivity install vocalizer AI text as vocalizer 2.30 product more app web result upload and HTTP about this download rated 4
Hanapin natin yung
Android business blind help about this blind help project https://blindhelp.net vocalizer TTS v 3.8.2 natural sounding voices link visited.
So, ito yan. Ito yung hanapin nyo. Yan. Double tap natin yan. Tapos, i-download lang natin. Hanapin natin dito yung download.
Skip the main skip the look button search make home software commute news link blog audio vocal last app sub app on static soft text operated Google and Facebook like 9 post link share vocalizer enriches the user experience for a variety of applications on important each voice features support for emoji easy custom reading speed and pitch custom number and many once the application all Android languages USA Australia Indian Irish South Africa Scottish English UK English Argentinian, Castilian Spanish,
So,
Colombian Spanish, Mexican, Arabic, Bengali, Bajput, Cattle, Croatian, Basque, Galician, Dutch, Belgian Dutch, Kannada, Portuguese, Brazil, Bulgarian, French, Canadian.
Siguro mag-swipe left tayo.
Overview button, custom seat, new tab, but views open, protect DM all logo, line help copyright, mega, Watonic and Corp Solid 5, Drupal app supported, go, 3 days, last up, annual privacy policy, community terms and contact about us company at YouTube, Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter link, WhatsApp link, Facebook link, never miss any, stay in touch with KNF, trailer effort, line square, line bargain, access world, also check more link, 70 total view type, IBM title, 96 total views, type, Microsoft title.
Ba't nawala? Wait lang.
Back button.
Hanapin natin, guys.
Type. Software. Total views. 96,000. Title. IBM TTS for NV. Back button. Exit home. Sun. Go. Skip the search logo of. Skip the search area link. The logo of BH. Skip the main area link.
Yan, skip to main area. Hindi
Skip
na
the
yan.
logo. Line help. The logo.
Dito
Line
tayo.
envisioning a brighter search. Pick restore. Increase main home. Soft commute. News. Audio. Last app.
Hanapin lang natin
On Sun
yung
category. Software text. Operate.
download
Google
link.
Face. Like. Post. Share. Vote. Each. Support. Emojis. Easy custom. Reading speed and pitch customization. Number and once the all language. US English. Austrian. Indian. Irish. South Africa. Scottish. UK. Argent. Castilian. Chilean. Colombian. Mexican. Arabic. Bengali. Bhojpuri. Catalan. Croatian. Basque. Galician. Dutch. Belgian Dutch. Kannada. Portuguese. Brazilian. Bulgarian. French. Canadian. Cantonese. Mandarin. Czech. Danish. Finnish. German. Greek. Hebrew. Hindi. Hungarian. Indonesian. Malay. Italian. Japan. Korean. Marathi. Norwegian. Polish. Romanian. Russian. Slovak. Sweden. Thai.
Ipopause ko muna yung recording, guys.
Notifications.
Ibalik ko
You're all
pag
Vidma
nahanap ko
Recorder
yung
VPN.
download.
Vidma Recorder Lite is displaying over other apps. Vidma Record pause. Vidma Recorder Lite 6 minutes ago. Pause. Stop. Pause. Chrome.
So, ayan, guys. So, ito
Open
siya.
the home. Download again button. Cancel. Do you want to download Vocalizer Voices v3.8.2 dash linehelp.net.app 15.03 MB again?
So, download
Cancel
natin.
button. Download again button.
Download
Download file downloaded option available near top of the
Yung
screen.
file downloaded na.
Overview
So,
button. Open button.
open natin yan.
Open. Cancel. Open package installer.
Package installer.
Unknown. Vocalizer Voices. Vocalizer. Do you want to install this app? Cancel install button. Vocalizer Voices.
Ayan.
Vocalizer app installed button.
So, done natin
Home
yan.
button.
I-close all muna natin.
Close all button.
Ayan.
Your system is now in optimal condition. Place voice mute tick miss plate mute vid stop dice select side vocalize page indicate vocalizer
So,
voices.
open natin si Vocalizer Voices. Ayan.
0% progress connecting. Please wait. 0% connecting to server.
Hintayin nyo lang.
Patch by to all self visit PHP button. Close button.
Close natin
Vocalizer
yan.
vocal settings button. About button. US English.
US English, yan yung pindutin nyo. Paparinig ko sa inyo yung ibang voice nyo, guys.
Ultra volume mode on. In settings about US English. Listen to a sample. US English Allison purchased. Listen to a sample
So,
button.
eto, pakinggan natin to.
Buffering.
Yan, buffering pa. Hintayin lang natin.
Hello, how are you doing? Here I am to be the voice of anything you can think of.
So,
Listen
install
download voice
natin
button.
yan.
Select
Yeah.
embedded underscore pro, embedded underscore compact, purchased. Later button, embedded underscore pro, purchased. Vocalizer voice US settings, but about US 1% cancel down US English Java purchase. Listen to a sample button.
So,
Buffering.
ito sample.
Hello, how are you doing? Here I am to be the
Installing
voice
US
of
English
anything
Allison.
you can think
Please
of.
wait. Installed 37% US English settings, but about button US listen to delete download US English Java purchased. Listen to a download voice button.
Download
Select
voice
select
natin
embedded underscore pro, vocalizer voices US English Noel purchased. Listen to a US English Nathan purchased. Listen to a
Yan
sample
yung mga
button.
voices niya.
US English Joel purchase. Download. Listen to a sample button. US English Evan purchase. Cancel down 82% progress. Installing US English Java. Install 25% progress
So,
bar.
ngayon, i-install natin yung ibang voice nyo.
37% vocalizer. US English. Download voice button. US English Nathan purchase. Listen. Download voice button. US English Noel purchase. Listen. Download voice button. US English Samantha purchased.
Ito si
Listen to a
Samantha.
sample
Install
button.
natin yan. Pakinggan muna natin.
Hello, how are you doing? Here I am to be the voice of anything you can think of.
Listen
So,
to a sample.
install
Download
natin
voice
yan.
button. Select the voice qual. Select embedded underscore pro. Purchased. Vocalizer voices. Listen to a sample button.
So, ayan, hintayin lang natin. Tapos, isi-set natin siya as default. So, pupuntahan pa natin yung settings ng
4:26 p.m. Download voice button.
wait lang, baka hindi na tayo nagre-record.
Notification clear all Vidma VPN act. Vidma Recorder Lite is displaying over other apps. Vidma Recorder Lite 2 minutes ago.
Yan,
Back
recording
button.
pa.
Installing US English. Install 25% progress bar. 25%.
So, ngayon,
Settings
pupunta
button,
na tayo
button.
sa,
Back button.
saan tayo pupunta? Sa
Exit
settings.
home US English settings button.
Settings. Dito makita nyo.
Settings. Settings. Voice. Force pitch settings unchecked. Force vocalizer TTS speech pitch settings over application
So,
speech pitch
ito na sa
settings.
inyo na yan kung i-check nyo. Pero sa akin hindi na. Sa
Pitch
akin
unavailable.
ito, hindi na rin.
Force speech rate unchecked. Force speech rate
Yan.
unavailable. Force volume unchecked. Force
Itong
vocalizer
volume yung
TTS volume
i-check
over
nyo.
mode checked.
Yan. Tapos guys, if iset nyo sa, ang volume, iset nyo sa
Volume.
150%.
Volume 200% checked. 175, 150% unchecked. Settings.
Kasi kapag nakasagad siya sa 200%, parang basag yung sound. So,
Back button.
try na natin. Punta natin sa settings. Dito na lang.
Vote.
Uy.
Quick set. Silent mode.
Wait lang.
Back button. Notification. Mobile data. Back button. Vocalizer. Vocalizer TTS. Vocalizer is not the default TTS on your system. Do you want to select it as the default TTS?
So,
No button. Yes button.
yes natin yan.
Vocalizer trial available to vote text to speech set navigate text to preferred engine ETI eloquence TTS preferred visual vocalizer prudent screen vocalizer TT attention okay but cancel okay button preferred engine.
Preferred G-Show Plus unchecked. Vocalizer TTS checked. Back button.
Ayan. Ito na yung boses niya ngayon, guys.
Text to speech settings. Back
Lang,
play
yan.
sample button. Back button. Page 1 of 1. Back button.
So, yun lang muna, guys, mga ka-Blind Explorer.
Notification clear. VPN. Vid recorder light is displaying. Vid recorder light. 4 minutes ago. Pause.
So, yun lang muna, guys.
Stop.
Kung natuwa kayo sa aking video ngayon, huwag kalimutang paki-like, share, at subscribe naman ang aking channel. Para sa mga videos, para maging lagi kayong updated sa mga videos, pakiset ang notification sa all. So, yun lang.